Good morning, 7th grade. Happy St. Joseph's Day. I hope everybody's doing well today. Today's assignment was just a quizzes. And remember, you can do it unlimited time, so keep doing it until you get it right. And to answer the daily question and watch this video. So I'm not going to be doing a YouTube video tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to do just a review of some algebra that we had learned before. And then Monday I'll start up again on another lesson. So we'll keep going, okay? But make sure you turn in that quizzes and get them all right so I can give you all the points for it, okay? All right, so today I decided to give you an example that I found on IXL. So some of you were saying that you were a little bit confused on IXL. So this was one of the ones that I found. There's lots of numbers involved. And so because there's so many numbers and a strange shape, sometimes it's hard to see which way you should cut the shape and to find out the area. Now, there's lots of different ways that you can cut this shape, okay? For me, I always want to do it the least amount possible. So that way I'm not trying to find the area of like 5 different shapes. So when I look at this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw out the lines that I think would work. So if I look at this, now I can see that I have 3 rectangles and I used up the whole shape. So by you doing the 3 rectangles, it will be a little bit easier for me. So I'm going to focus first on this very first rectangle over here. So I'm going to outline this one in this purple color. And if you look at it, you can see that I have 2 measures of these sides. And the 6 feet corresponds to this. The 7 feet is here. So it's easy to see that we can find the area, which remember is length times width, which is 6 times 7. So the area of this particular rectangle is 42 feet squared, okay? So now I have the area of that one. Well, let's go ahead and get a different color and let's take a look at this one. Now, this one's gonna be a little bit more complicated because of finding one of the lengths. Now I'm gonna outline this one in pink. It might look kind of the same, but it is pink. All right, now, remember, I need a length and a width. So that means if I look here, I can tell that I have one of my measures. That's 15. So again, area equals length times width. So I'm gonna do 15 times, I need the other side. I need the length from here all the way to here. Does that mean that it's only 9 feet? No, because 9 feet only goes from here to here. That means I've got to figure out what's the distance from here to here. Well, if I look over here, I can see that this is 6 feet. So if this is 6 feet, then from this spot to this spot must also be 6 feet. So if this is 6 feet and this is 9 feet, then 6 plus 9 is 15. So that means that this whole thing is 15 feet. And it's because of the 6 plus the 9. Because I don't know what it is over here. Now, I could also check my work here, because if I looked at it on this side, I know that from this tip to this tip is 19 feet, but from here to here is 4. So I could actually look at it as 19 minus 4, and I would still get 15. So I know that my area is going to be 15 times 15. So if you go to the side and you do 15 times 15, make sure you do your multiplication, and you get 225, okay? So the area of this rectangle, is 225 feet squared. Now, that moves me to the next one. So this next one, I'm gonna look at here, and it's a dark purple color. And so here's my next one. This one's gonna be slightly easier because I know that the long side is 19. No addition or subtraction needed because it actually takes up that whole length. So I'm still doing area equals length times width. So that's going to be 19 times, and then I need this from here to here. Well, if I look down here, I can see it's 10. So 19 times 10, which is 190 feet squared. Now, am I finished? No, because I've got to add all of these up. The only way to get your total area is to add all 3 rectangles up. So now I have to add the 42 feet squared plus the 225 feet squared plus the 190 feet squared. When I add all of those up, 6 plus 9 is 15, 2, 3, 4. I get 457 feet squared, or 457 square feet. So hopefully that helps you out a little bit with looking at that IXL. You do not need to get to 70 on IXL. Just make sure that you're looking at my website for the daily assignments, okay? Answer your quizzes, do your daily question, and tomorrow I'll have another IXL for you to do. But no YouTube video tomorrow. You'll have the IXL and the daily question, okay? Then on Monday, I'll go ahead and do another video. We're gonna move on to another lesson. So make sure you've got a handle on these area of polygons, okay? I'm representing today, wearing my 7th grade shirt. So I hope that y'all are having a great day. I'm thinking about you. I'm praying for everybody. And I hope everybody has a great day. Kayla wants to say hi one more time. And tell them to have a good weekend, okay?
Okay. I really miss y'all so much. And make sure you have a great weekend.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.